A very good morning to class 7. In the last lecture we have finished up till this. Yes, and I told you to write in your notebooks up till here. Right? I told you to write up till here in my last lecture. You have to give the title, verb and its kinds, chapter 7. Write the definition, then the kinds of verb. Make a table like this. Write the main verbs, link verbs, helping verbs. Right? Then you give the definition of the main verb here. Write a definition. Then you tell that the main verb is of two kinds, transitive and intransitive. Define transitive, then give one example. Define intransitive, then give one example. And no need to do this exercise. ये book में ही है, तो it is more than enough. I will give you some extra exercises, so you don't write this in your notebooks. Okay, leave this. ये आपने book में ही solve करनी है. Then you come to the link verbs. Make a star here and write down link verbs. Define them. Okay. Then give the examples and one or two examples of these. Fine. And I told you to write up till here. That day we have finished up till here. Now we are going to start with this exercise number 2. Use the link verbs given in the help box to fill in the blanks. Add s to them appropriately. So here the words are given and you have to use them, and wherever necessary we have to add s to it. Okay. So they are, the first one is, they dash the stalwarts. Stalwarts means very loyal people, very faithful people. Okay. So here be ki form, you have been told about this, that is, am, are, was and were are the be form of the verbs. Okay. तो be की जो forms होती हैं वो is, am, are present में, was and were past में होती हैं. Is it clear? So here they have given us be, so we can use it as appropriate. So here we will use they. They is a plural, there is a plural subject, so we will use are with that. So they are the stalwarts. The cake tastes delicious, या हम लिख सकते हैं the cake is delicious भी आ सकता है यहाँ पे. Fine. You can use is also. You can use either is or you can use either tastes. One and the same thing. So you can use is also. The cake is delicious or tastes delicious. Both can come. It is good. यहाँ पे भी बच्चे it is भी आ सकता है और it tastes good भी आ सकता है. Both can go. Fine. You look great today. You look great today. That idea seems better. That idea seems better. तो यहाँ पे seems ज़्यादा appropriate लग रहा है. The situation is getting worse. The situation is getting worse. Means situation जो है वो worse होती जा रही है. Now we come to here, this part. Page number 46. Page number 46 we will come, and it is, I am sick, I can't go to school. तो यहाँ पे am ही लगेगा. I am sick. Okay. Vineet is a lawyer. या यहाँ पे was कर सकते हैं अगर आपने past tense में करना है, but यहाँ is बिल्कुल ठीक है, suitable है. The child looks clumsy. Clumsy means थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट सा, वियर्ड सा लग रहा है. बच्चा clumsy means थोड़ा अजीब सा लग रहा है, क्लीन हिम अप, गंदा सा लग रहा है, ठीक है. द चाइल्ड लुक्स क्लमजी, क्लीन हिम अप. Why do you dash glum today? Why do you feel glum today? या look glum today can also come. Or why do you sounds नहीं. Why do you feel glum today? So what do I have to do to become a Navy officer? So here the become will come. What do I have to do to become a Navy officer? I can smell something burning. Because burning is always smelled. It is not like felt, or you always smell that burning sensation. So I can smell something burning. My parents want me to become a pilot. Nothing is impossible when you are resolved. Means if you have determined that you have to achieve this thing, so nothing is impossible for you. I feel at home in my residential school means that in my residential school I feel it like home. Means मुझे घर जैसा लगता है. I feel at home means घर जैसा लगना. Clear? Then change with the link verbs. Next part of the exercise. Change with the link verbs. Now some link verbs are used to talk about the change. जो हमारे लिंक वर्ब्स होते हैं बच्चे, या तो हम उनके बारे में कोई चेंज हुई है तब यूज करते हैं, और द एब्सेंस ऑफ चेंज, या कुछ भी चेंज नहीं हुआ है वहां यूज करते हैं. आइदर यू टॉक अबाउट अ चेंज मीन्स वहां पे कोई बहुत बड़ी चेंज आई है या छोटी सी चेंज आई है, या बिल्कुल भी चेंज नहीं आई है. देयर ऑल्सो वी यूज द चेंज विद द लिंक वर्ब्स. Like they are, become, get, grow, go, turn, stay, remain, keep and fall. It's becoming colder means change is coming. It's becoming colder. So the word become is also a link verb. So when there is some, we are talking about a change or the absence of change, we use these words. These are called the linking verbs. It is becoming older means अब ठंड होती जा रही है, ठंडा होता जा रहा है. राइट. हाउ डू यू स्टे सो यंग मीन्स इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं आया. ही इज यंग, ही वॉज यंग एंड स्टिल ही इज लुकिंग एज यंग. सो हियर ऑल्सो वी विल यूज हाउ डू यू स्टे सो यंग. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज इट इज गेटिंग हॉटर मीन्स अगेन देर इज अ चेंज, यू कैन फील द चेंज. So whenever we are talking about a change or we are talking about the absence of the change, we use these linking words. It is getting hotter means ज़्यादा गर्म होता जा रहा है climate. That means change हो रहा है climate. So here again we will use this linking verb getting. I hope my children remain happy forever. Now here it is talking about that she wants that her children should remain happy forever means there should be no change. So here we are talking about the absence of the change. So here again we will use the link verb. She grew angry means उसे गुस्सा आ रहा है. There is a change. Again grew. Grew is a grow का बच्चे past tense grew. We have to change the form accordingly. Keep your cool means आपने गुस्सा नहीं करना है. कीप योर कूल मीन्स अपना जो है काम रखो, अपने आप को पीसफुल रखिए. सो हियर अगेन वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड कीप. कीप स्माइलिंग एंड डू नॉट वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग. अगेन ही इज सेइंग दैट डोंट चेंज एनीथिंग, कीप स्माइलिंग. नो नीड टू चेंज. सो हियर द लिंकिंग वर्ब इज हियर. आई एम टर्निंग 50 tomorrow means some change is going to come tomorrow. He is turning 50. Turning again it's a linking verb. My mother fell ill last year. Last year there was some change. Her mother fell ill, so some change is being seen here. So again it is a linking verb. The baby has fallen asleep means sometime before he was awake, but now he has fallen asleep. That means change is there. So the baby has fallen. Fell का बच्चे हमने फॉर्म चेंज किया है, fallen asleep. Now we come to exercise number 3. Use the link verbs in the help box to fill in the blanks. Change their form suitably. These words are given and we have to change the form if necessary. She is dash furious. Now what will come here? She is getting furious भी आ सकता है बच्चे. She is getting. So here we will add get की form change करेंगे, getting furious. The leaves dash yellow during the autumn season. Turn है तो अब क्या लगा सकते हैं यहाँ? The leaves turn yellow during. Turn yellow ही आएगा, turning नहीं आएगा. The leaves plural है तो जो हमारा verb है वो singular में आएगा. The leaves turn yellow during the autumn season. Now next is dash silent. What will come? Keep silent. If it dash cold, cover the plants. So if it grows नहीं आएगा, get cold. If it turns cold, turn भी आ सकता है. But I think if it gets cold, cover the plants. Means अगर ज़्यादा ठंडा हो जाता है तो plants को cover कर देना. Now we come to this page number 47. Dash calm and watch. Keep calm and watch. Please dash ready now. Please get ready now. He dash mad when the children misbehave. He grows mad. Because the sentence is in present tense, so here the verb will also come. When the children misbehave. अगर यहाँ D होता misbehave, that means it is in the past tense, so हम यहाँ पे grew कर देते. But it is in the present tense, so we have used the verb also. He grows mad. Her contact lens keep her eyes green. The property value is getting higher. The property value is getting higher these days. आजकल जो हो रहा है, that means यहाँ पे ing वाला लगेगा. I can't dash my cool when he speaks out of his turn. I can't keep my cool. I can't stay no. I can't remain my cool. No. I can't keep my cool when he speaks out of his turn. My father was becoming angry. My father was becoming angry with my behavior. So it is dash, let's go home. It is turning dark. It is becoming dark. It is getting dark. Becoming भी आ सकता है बच्चे. It is becoming, but getting is more suitable. The plant has grown taller. Hina got married. Get का हमने past tense form ले लेना in 2012. Why do you dash crazy about pizzas? Why do you turn crazy? Means जब pizzas की बात आती है तो तुम इतने crazy क्यों हो जाते हैं? Why do you turn crazy about pizzas? Become भी आ सकता है. Why do you become crazy भी ठीक है. So we'll write here become. Now we come to the helping or the auxiliary verbs.